Hello everybody, and I'm going to be showing you how to add weeks in XGen. So number one, download source code, and you might be thinking, bro, we have to do source code. No, we're not doing source code. Just some other stuff we're going to be covering later in this tutorial series. They're going to be hard. They're going to not hard to do that. They're going to have to be compiled language. You have to compile it. I don't know why. Caxiflix was weird, but and Friday Night Funkin' is weird overall. Like, really, the source code, like, come on. But so once you have it, just open up this. It says Funkin' Master for me because I just copy and pasted the main game source code and made the engine out of that. So yeah, I never bother to rename it. So first, go to Assets and go to Preload and go to Data. You're spending most of your time in this folder. First go to week names and yeah, just make your own week names. Let me name this tutorial video. Also, some of these maybe you already pre-filled out because this is my second time recording this. Turns out there's a bug with the weeks where it just locked them. Very stupid. Next week, put test. Not put this, but put your song names. Separate them via a comma if you have multiple of them, and make sure there's not spaces after the comma. So yeah, no spaces in these. Then I go to week characters, and basically week characters is those things. These are the split on top of week. So if you have your own week character, add them in the week character folder. I actually don't know where that is. I will put that in the description if I find where it is. But you know, I guess I'm kind of blind, so I can't find it. So yeah, there it is right there. It's just dad. Then comma. I mean, not that, but whatever the character you want to put it. Then just BF and GF. If you have your own BF or GF, then just put that right there. Now we'll go to assets. What's it, preload? Yeah, I think it's preload images. Yep, straight menu. And you see, put whatever week graphics you want and just name it week and then the amount of weeks you have +1. In this case, we're trying to add week 7, so it'll just be week 7. I am not new to draw stuff, so I just copied the dumb tutorial thing. No, actually, wait a second. Let me go to preload data. I want the week to actually be loaded because test doesn't actually have a JSON file. I'm pretty sure. I'm actually gonna make that week data. Let's do tutorial. I think that would go really well with a tutorial video. If you have your own songs, make sure to put them in the songs folder, and also to load your own songs, I'll actually teach you how to do that. Even though it's the same exact process in the normal Friday Night Funkin' engine, like for adding songs. I'm still gonna teach you it because some people may not know. And now what you have to do is you have to compile it. You won't have this export folder yet. I have it because I've compiled this engine a lot of times. So if you're on Windows 11, you're gonna right click any empty space and click open Windows Terminal. If you're on Windows 10, there should be something in the corner saying file and then open that partial. Make sure you're not selecting any folders or open that terminal in the folder, which can be done. So make sure you do it in your main base folder. And then just do Lime test Windows. Or whatever theme you want to come out. It could be HTML5 or Linux. In this case, we're using Windows. Now, for you, this may take a bit of time because I'm assuming you have already compiled it once, so it's gonna take a bit of time. Now, if you already compiled this, it's gonna take a pretty short amount of time. So, yeah, just saying that it's gonna take a few minutes if you haven't compiled. Actually, a way to tell if it's almost done to compiling is if it says link application main.exe. That means it's kind of linked everything up. I would kind of think about it, yeah, like it's close to compiling, so to do a bit of other stuff. Also, ignore Avis. Avis flags all my stuff. I hate it for doing that. And now load Friday Night Funkin'. And if you go to the story menu, let's go to this week and yeah. Tutorial. Friday night yet. Yes, your loading tutorial, the tutorial song, is gonna bring us to tutorial.
3, 2,
so yeah,
1, go!
There it is. And if you have your own song, it should load into that. If you have a JSON and a song file, yeah, that's how you basically add weeks. Also little mini book tutorials, and technically adding these is also adding a free play. I'll do a little mini thing. Adding to free play is actually really easy, alright? You don't actually know how easy it is. It's not like, there's 3 files. There is, free play song switcher it's called. And as you can see, this is literally the copy of, the, weak data, right? So, yeah. Tutorial, Then for the free play icons, is what free play icons right next to it. So if you have your own, you'll put that right there. We'll actually cover into adding your own icons and when you're adding a character into the game. But for now, I'll put Dad right here. Why not? Actually, I'll put GF because it's the tutorial song. Now technically the free play song list for me because I'm using a base song. It's kind of useless, but yeah. So it's not really gonna. I don't know if it's gonna do anything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll do something, but yeah. But basically, yeah, it's kind of useless. If you have like a base game song in your week, but yeah, it's a little mini tutorial. It's a tutorial. I don't actually know if you'll just see this is the same thing there because to be honest, Haxoflix was weird, bro. There's so many like weird bugs probably sprinkled along it. Nothing that I don't even know about because it's just weird. But we should come out and we should see our song free play. Or all week songs in our free menu. And yes, it lacks once again. 2. I don't know how much lagging camera I can hear right now. Like ever since animation like it's like oh we're learning when I talk again. We know it's a free play now. If you ever saw the tutorial, you should see tutorial right at the end of it. Or whatever song you add to the free play menu. Well,